Hello traders, welcome to my screen view. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Market Sessions and Volume Profile Indicator for detecting trade opportunities in the market. The Market Sessions and Volume Profile Indicator allow you to keep track of Forex market sessions, Tokyo, London, and New York, as well as daily, weekly, and monthly sessions. All of them are accompanied by volume profile options where you can view VP histogram, point of control, value area high, and value area low. The colors, lines, and other design preferences are fully customizable. Search the keywords Market Sessions and Volume Profile EP version by Leviathan Capital on TradingView's indicator search box. Click on the indicator to attach it to the price chart. Let's check the parameter functionalities of this trading indicator. As we can see under the input settings, the indicator has a session type ranging from Tokyo session, London session, New York session. The shorter sessions, Tokyo, London, New York, works better when using lower time frames such as 15 minutes, 5 minutes, etc. Also, there is the daily session, weekly session, and the monthly session. Under the display settings, there is Show Volume Profile, Show or Hide Volume Profile Histogram, Show POC, Show or Hide Point of Control Line, Show or Hide VHA, Value Area High Line, and VAL, Value Area Low Line. Show Live Zone, Show or Hide the ongoing session. Under the Volume Profile settings, there is the Resolution by default is set to 30. The higher the value, the more refined of a profile, but fewer profiles are shown on the chart. Value Area Volume Percent by default is 70. Also, there is the Smooth Volume Data, useful for assets that have very large spikes in volume over large bars, helps create better profiles. Under the Appearance settings, there is the Up Volume, color is green. Down volume, color is red. Traders can pick a custom color for the down/bearish volume profile of the nodes. POC color and thickness, VAH color and thickness, VAL color and thickness. Traders can pick a custom color and thickness for these parameters. Session box thickness. Pick a custom thickness for the session box. Color is provided automatically with optimal contrast. How can we use the Market Sessions and Volume Profile Indicator to generate buy and sell signals in the market? Before buying and selling based on the Market Sessions and Volume Profile Indicator, traders need to decide their trading session of interest. First, let me show you how to buy using the London session in the 15 minutes time frame. The main Forex pairs to trade in the London session include British Pound Sterling USD, British Pound Sterling Euro, and Euro USD. Therefore, I will use the chart of the Euro USD. Next, let's switch the indicator trading session to London. As we can see, the indicator boxed each London section candlestick on this price chart. And on the left-hand side of the box, there's a horizontal volume histogram. The shaded color with the largest histogram signifies the buying or selling volume in the market. As we can see, in a downtrend, whenever the VP histogram becomes larger in red, the bear's selling volume increases down the trend. Once the bearish candlestick closes below the red horizontal line inside the box, the bearish entry is confirmed. For a sell setup, stop loss can be placed above the high of the rectangular box. In an uptrend, whenever the VP histogram becomes larger in green, the bull's buying volume increases up the trend. Once the bullish candlestick closes above the green horizontal line in the box, the bullish entry is confirmed. For a buy setup, stop loss can be placed below the low of the rectangular box. Whenever the red and green histogram is the same volume, it thus signifies a ranging market medium. To have a better winning rate with this trading indicator, make sure to trade the larger volume that is supporting the trend of the market. Now let's see how to use the indicator to confirm a buying setup in the market. As we can see in this uptrend, after the red VP histogram turns larger than the green histogram, the price made a bearish pullback. As soon as the green VP histogram turns larger, the bullish trend resumed. Buy entry can be placed above the candlestick that closed above this green horizontal line. Let's wait to see the outcome of the buy entry. Take profit hit. Let's search for another buy setup. As we can see on the 15 minutes chart of the British pound sterling USD, after the market made a bearish pullback, the market sessions and volume profile indicator green horizontal line acted as support for the price. Time to buy this setup signal. Let's wait to see the outcome of the buy entry. Take profit hit. It's time I show you how to use the indicator to confirm a selling setup in the market. I will trade the Asian Tokyo session in the 15 minutes time frame. The main Forex pairs to trade in the Asian Tokyo session include Australian dollars, Japanese yen, Australian dollars USD, and USD Japanese yen. Therefore, I will use the chart of the Australian dollars USD. As we can see in this downtrend, after the green VP histogram turns larger than the red histogram, the price made a bullish pullback. As soon as the red VP histogram turns larger, the bearish trend resumed. Sell entry can be placed below the candlestick that closed below the red horizontal line. Let's wait to see the outcome of the sell entry. Take profit hit. As you can see, the market sessions and volume profile indicator is an easy-to-use and special trading indicator that can help traders to take advantage of trading opportunities in different trading sessions in the Forex market.